Hey guys, it's just Stuart from StuTube. Just doing some more videos on the solar panels. Sun's out today, lovely day. Right, so what we're doing, so we're going to test, these are 275 watt panels. So we've got 275 watts, which comes out the back. Some comes out the back, so it's just on one panel, not on the four. So this goes into a charge controller. Let's have a look. Right, so I've just switched it on because the battery had been using the battery. So it's charging at 7.8 amps, 59% charge. So what we're doing here, I'm going to show the difference between doing a 12 volt and a 24 volt. So if you look here, obviously this battery goes to there, and then that goes through that wire, and then it goes to there. So if I went from here to there, that would be 24 volts, but I'm just centre tapping it, so we're just doing a 12 volts at the minute. So I've just got there and there, so we're just using the one battery, so it's using 24 volts. We are like 11 point thing. Right, so these panels push out about 31.5 volts. So it comes out of there, goes through that into the controller. This controller actually shunts it down, so it makes it 12 volts, well 13.6 volts rather than the 30 volts that are coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you it with on 24 volts. Just give us a second. Right, so here we are back again. Nothing's different except there two on there. So I've gone from it's positive, then it goes to negative, goes to there. So it's in 24 volt format. Beauty with these controllers, they automatically switch from 12 volt to 24 volt because it's been sitting outside now. It's actually showing full. That's why if you look, the ampage is really low because it's actually full. So there you go again. That's the beauty of doing that. If you've got a 12 volt inverter, so obviously if you're going to run it in this format, you'll need it in 24 volts. But if you've got a 12 volt inverter, you just need to go from this to there. So between there and there, still only 12 volts, or between that one and that one, still only 12 volts. So you can run a 12 volt inverter, but it's called centre tapped. So you could either use this on a 12 volt or 24 volt format. Okay guys, any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks, bye.